So today I just want to share a quick tip when it comes to Amazon listings. Usually you can upload your product via flat file to Amazon, and especially when you are manufacturer yourself and you are uploading brand new products to Amazon, you are far better off doing this with a spreadsheet. So what you usually would do is you go to the file upload and download a template and search for your product type here. In my case, that is wall art. And I'm doing this on the marketplace for France in this example because that's the one I had to work with this morning. Now I can just generate the spreadsheet. And when you open this one, you will usually have the product type you have selected in the first column. The problem I had this morning was that Amazon was changing the product type underneath when I uploaded my file. So don't worry, this is in German, but I will just quickly translate it for you. So it says that Amazon has changed the product type from wall art to maps. And that's something that the Amazon system tries to find out from your title, description, and so on. And the problem is really when this happens, the categories have different required fields really. So when I change to the date definitions in the spreadsheet provided by Amazon, I have this column here and the red ones that are required fields. And that's for my category wall art. Since Amazon has changed the product type to maps, I will just quickly get the required fields for maps here in comparison. And here you can see some of the attributes are the same, but there are also different attributes that are not required in my wall art category, but they will be required in maps. And the problem is really that the spreadsheet I downloaded will only contain the columns that were in wall art before. So what I did this morning to solve this issue was to just extend my spreadsheet to have the values I actually need for the maps category. So for example, the maps category will have a field named publication date, but the wall art spreadsheet does not have this field. And what you can do here is, first of all, you can just unhide line number 3, and here you will get the column descriptors here. And what I can just do now here is I can just add the column manually. So I could just go for publication date and put this one in here. And this needs a date something like this. And now this field is added without copying every single row from the wall art sheet over to a map sheet, really. And so you can do this for all the remaining ones, and this will make it much more easy to debug the whole spreadsheet and to upload it successfully so your products are displayed on Amazon. Because usually the spreadsheet doesn't tell you about this, and it will just tell you, okay, I have changed the product type from wall art to maps, and then it will start throwing errors. Then it will say, okay, this column is missing, then you fix it, upload it again, and then it will say this column is missing. And that's kind of trial and error. And just in this specific case, there are like 5 or 6 columns missing that are not in the wall art spreadsheet. The Amazon data model is kind of flexible. In the end, the system only cares if the columns that are needed for the specific category are there or not. And it doesn't really care if you downloaded a wall art spreadsheet or one for maps or any other category. So you can just easily check what additional fields are required and extend your sheet with columns you need, and then just upload it and save a lot of time when listing your products. So that's a short one from me today. Have a nice day.